Look, it's ripe loquat time. Aren't we lucky? Beautiful ripe loquats. So lucky, so juicy, so sweet, so succulent. So syrupy and sweet. Sweet as anything, juicy and watery, full of flavour. Loquat trees are from China, I think, and Japan. Eriobotrya japonica, that's what they're called, but I think they come from Japan and eastern China. Look who's under the loquat tree. Look who's under the loquat tree. That little black Persian cat. Where are you? There you are. I wonder what its name is. I'd like to be friends with it. It wouldn't eat a loquat, would it? But those foxes would eat loquats. Foxes are omnivorous. They'd eat loquats if they fell on the ground. You can see the quince coming up too from below the loquat graft. They're quince leaves you can see there. So a long time ago, that loquat tree was grafted on top of a quince tree. Very long time ago. It amuses me though to have things coming up from below the graft. So you've got the quince tree, and on top of that you've got the loquat tree growing on top of the quince tree. Listen to the wind. There's a juicy ripe loquat. There's another. So juicy and yummy and sweet. When the birds peck them, a little bit of juice, syrup leaks out, and then that attracts butterflies. Butterflies have good taste as well. Yummy ripe loquats, anybody? One of the earliest fruits, aren't they, in spring, late spring, early summer? Related to quinces, related to medlars, related to pears, related to japonica, that's Sidonia japonica, the garden ornamental we all know and love, close relative. Related to feijoas and guavas too, a little, not that far away, on the tree, evolutionary tree. Loquats up high. How am I going to get those two up so high? How am I going to reach up there? Maybe I'll have to leave them to the birds. Look, if you spit your loquat seed out, it'll come up as a tree. You'll have your own Garden of Eden, your own forest of fruit. Look, they come up just on their own. Beautiful trees. They make a nice indoor plant too if you look after them nicely. Comparable to a rubber tree really indoors. They're very beautiful. This one's a bit sorry for itself because of the dry weather. Look, there's some lovely loquats. They look very sweet and ripe. Yummy. Here I am under a loquat tree. Beautiful green trees, aren't they lovely? Look at all that beautiful white juicy flesh, so sweet and lovely. So cooling. You can get cough lollies made in China out of loquats. Yummy. Some have got more than one stone. This has only got one stone. Some have got several stones. The stones don't last forever, so you should plant them out. Heavenly. Sweet loquat. plant one up and you'll have a loquat tree. This is all it takes. Just one seed and you'll have your very own loquat tree. That's all it takes. Look, there's a loquat tree coming up in a pot. So they do make lovely potted specimens. And they stay nice and green indoors as well. You can make a fuss of them indoors. This one's a bit miserable from being outdoors, but if it's indoors you can treat it with a lot of care like an indoor plant. It will make a beautiful indoor plant. It will. Look, here we are in the fernery. What's going to be my fernery soon when it's finished. But here's a lovely loquat tree. Look at those beautiful leaves. You can see how it makes a beautiful indoor plant comparable to a rubber tree, really. They are semi-deciduous, but they are. Well, they'll probably keep their leaves on indoors in the winter time. Look how lovely they are. Beautiful indoor plant. Loquat. Eriobotrya japonica from memory. Lovely. For your indoor forest. See you then.